Everyone wants growth, but most people get this wrong by chasing it too fast. The surprising truth about Emory Growth Finance in 2026 is that it focuses on steady, sustainable financial progress. Emory Growth Finance is a financial platform designed to help users transition from stability to growth. It combines budgeting tools, savings automation, and entry-level investment guidance in one place. The onboarding process asks about goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon, creating a personalized plan. One standout feature is Emory Growth's Growth Ladder system. Instead of throwing users into investing immediately, it encourages emergency savings first, then debt reduction, and finally long-term growth. You won't believe how many people skip these steps and struggle later. Emory Growth also provides clear explanations for each decision. When adjusting risk or reallocating funds, the app explains what's happening in simple language, making it ideal for beginners. The platform includes progress tracking that shows how small actions compound over time. This builds confidence and consistency. The downside is limited customization for experienced investors. Emory Growth is about guidance, not control. In conclusion, Emory Growth Finance in 2026 is still worth it if you want structure, education, and long-term financial growth without overwhelm. If you value smart, steady progress, hit subscribe for more in-depth finance reviews.